Yo, what is good, guys? It's your boy Dixon from Intuitive Designs. Today I'll be designing another Y2K shirt design, but reimagine how it would look like if I was to design it for Adidas. Enough talk, let's start the video. Right, guys, so the first thing I'm going to do today is the Y2K logo, of course. If you're new to this channel, I've made a full tutorial on how to do this. You can go watch that video, link in the pop-up corner right here. Okay, so the font that I'm using as the base is called Kilo by Hunter, and I'm gonna manually combine them one by one instead of just adjusting the kerning, because I feel like that gives me more control on the shape and whatnot. I'll also bring down this top section of the S letter and then combine them into one. I'll show you guys what I mean by that in a sec. And so yeah, let's see where this goes. So that went pretty well. Now I'm adding some additional shapes to the logo. I kind of got inspired by this other logo that I saw on Pinterest, where there's an oval shape below the letters, and then just add some additional text in there. After that, I'll start adding some Y2K elements to the logo. Finally, the logo is now done. I was struggling a bit on the 3 stripes part. I didn't have any idea how to place it, but I'm glad it worked out in the end. The final result looks pretty cool. Now I'm gonna save this logo as a separate AI file, and then let's move on to the shirt design. So guys, now comes the part where I designed the shirt. I've done my research and I'm inspired by this design by Billy, sorry for butchering the name. But yeah, I like the idea of this ribcage intertwining with the flowers and etc. So I'm thinking about adding some guns in there just to, give it some edge, and then just have a minimal flower in the middle. Now I've got all the assets that I need for the design, and they are all sourced from Envato Elements, which is also today's sponsor. Envato Elements is the #1 site where I browse for premium assets to use for my projects. Here you can find millions of stock assets such as stock photos, videos, graphics, musics, and so much more. With unlimited download, you have total freedom to experiment and create. Not only that, you can easily search for anything you want and quickly land on high quality image for your designs. My favorite from the site is their 3D assets library, where they offer pretty much everything you need for your projects. You can even choose the angle of the object and download it as PNG file with transparent background. This is especially useful for someone like me who don't use any 3D softwares. With Envato Elements, you get unlimited download with only one subscription, so click the link below and get 50% off annually for just $16.50 per month. Let's get back to the video. So guys, I'm finally done making the submachine guns intertwining with the ribcage. The selection part was what took the longest time, but I'm happy with how it looks so far, as you can see here. So yeah, let's move on to the flower part. I am very shocked with how smooth the design is going so far. It's honestly way better than what I was expecting, so I'm pretty happy with that. Now comes the part where I color grade the design. Of course, I'm going to use the selection color tool, which is also my favorite tool, and I'm aiming for that muted Kodak look. If you don't know how it looks like, you can just Google it. So yeah, let's get on with it. So guys, next is the 3D chrome look on the logo. Just like the previous tutorial, I'm gonna use the eye candy plugin to achieve the effect, and then it's just finding out the right logo placement and then wrap it all up and show you guys the final design. So here I'm doing the same intertwining effect to the logo. I kind of want it to blend into the design so that, you know, it's not just like it's slapped onto it. And then I'll just add some more icons at the bottom of the design and finish it off.